Before we jump into today's video, I want to share something close to my heart. I'm NikkiPursuit, and by the time you're watching this, I'll be moving on from my role as an administrative assistant here at Strathearn Historical Park and Museum. This place has meant so much to me, not just as a workplace but as a community. I've had the chance to be part of so many incredible events, from Civil War days to the holiday open house, and even serving as co-chair and chair on several events that brought the park to life for visitors. Every season, every event, every long day and late night added to the memories I'll always carry with me. And just like the park highlights its mechanical restoration team, I wanted to honour the vehicles, the craftsmanship, and the stories that connect us to the past. Because this park isn't just about preserving history, it's about keeping it moving through the people, the machines, and the passion behind it all. So before we roll into the NikkiPursuit intro, let's take a moment to appreciate what makes this place so special, and then we'll dive into the vehicles. As we move through the vehicle and equipment area at Strathearn, you really get a picture of farm life in Simi Valley from the early 1900s through the 1950s. The collection includes working vehicles like a 1915 and 1926, Model T Ford, a 1946 Chevy pickup, and a 1953 Dodge flatbed, along with tractors such as a 1928 John Deere Model D, a 1935 Caterpillar 22, and a 1953 Ferguson T30 used on the Strathearn family ranch. You'll also find a historic Dempster windmill, portable gas engines from brands like Maytag and John Deere, and even a gasoline-powered Maytag washing machine and a Model A-based air compressor. Thanks to the mechanical restoration volunteer team, these machines aren't just preserved, they're restored, operated, and demonstrated, keeping the valley's working history alive. As this video comes to an end, I just want to say how grateful I am for the time I've spent here at Strathearn Historical Park and Museum. By the time you're watching this, I'll be moving on from my role as administrative assistant, but the memories I've made here are something I'll always carry with me, from helping with events like Civil War days, holiday open house, and so many others throughout the year, to even getting the chance to co-chair and chair events around the park and museum. This place has been more than just a job. It's been a community, a classroom, and a huge part of my journey. Getting to work alongside passionate volunteers, especially the mechanical restoration team, and seeing how much heart goes into preserving these vehicles and stories. It's something really special, and I'm so thankful I got to be part of it. Even though I'm stepping into a new chapter, Strathearn will always be a place I support, visit, and share with all of you. Thank you to everyone here who made this experience what it was. And thank you to everyone watching for coming along with me on this part of my journey. This has been NikkiPursuit, and I'll see you at the next adventure. If you'd like to learn more about the mechanical restoration team or see these incredible machines up close, be sure to visit simihistory.com or stop by Strathearn Historical Park on Monday mornings to see the team in action. Thanks for watching and for helping keep local history alive.